welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and here's another unboxing. We've got a few of these going on. So this is just a small item, and just to confirm, this one took 16 days to get to me, so just over 2 weeks. It was not the quickest item from my order at the end of the AliExpress sale, but it wasn't the last item either. So this one I ordered partly for a little bit of fun. I thought these might be quite interesting to do, and many of you may have seen them. They are becoming more popular. But is that everything? That's everything. I ordered some little key rings because I thought they were cute. So, to open it up, these are special shaped diamond ones, which I'm not a huge fan of the special shaped in the general diamond painting. However, every now and then I do, you know, quite enjoy doing one, but I thought we'd see what we get and what the quality's like. So the toolkit is extremely basic, which is fair enough. So we do have the very basic green tray. We have a tiny square of wax, though they are only tiny things, and we have a standard pen, and that's it. So a very basic toolkit. It is special shaped diamonds. We'll have a look at those in a minute, but let's have a look at the keyring shapes. Now they're bigger than I thought, however they probably need to be able to stick the diamonds on. But I got some fruit ones. So okay, so they're pretty tough. It's like they're on a piece of acrylic is what it looks like they're on. There's no instructions in here, so I'm not sure if you are supposed to do both sides. We'll have a look when we get the gems out. They do have sticky coating on both sides, so you'd need to remove that, of course, to be able to stick anything. But the first one is a watermelon. You'll be able to sense the theme in a moment. And then we have an apple. And they've all got the little holes at the top ready to take the keyring. And then we have, I'm not sure what that one is. Is it pomegranate? I don't know. To me it looks like an onion. But no, it's probably a pomegranate. Then we get back to my more familiar fruits. So we have an orange. And then finally we have a pear. So I think they are really cute. And I think they'll be a fun and quick project to do. And I'm sure some of my kids will pinch one to do. So we do get the little clasp that makes it into sort of a key ring, and then we do also get these ball chains, so it will be very easy to make one of these into a key ring, if I can get hold of it again, because we pass the ball chain through there, and then we pass the ball chain through the key ring itself, and then you just fasten the last ball onto the end. And there we go. So we can make it into a key ring quite easily, and you can also take it off the key ring as well quite easily if that's what you want to do. So we do get 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those as well. So we have got all the key ring pieces we need, which is good. So let's pop those back into this little baggie for now, because it's the safest place for them. And let's have a look at what we get. So we've got some specially tight ones. So they have got letters on these, so TNU. They have a code, MTQ, and then they have another code. Okay, but none of these codes are DMC codes. All right, so they're only relevant if you have these. So what we'll do is we'll just turn them over so we can see them better. So we've got the silver, we've got red, and then we've got more of an orangey red, and then an orange. We have yellow, green, and that's sort of a very pale gold. I'm trying to think, it's sort of, yeah, it's a very pale gold or a very light yellow. We have a limey green, and then we have a dark green. So that's in the standard basic. Oh, and these letters, see, look, I've just realised the letter on it, so the letter T is the letter T on the actual keyring itself. So that's how we know T and T, that will be all the silver. So your codes are on your actual diamonds. Okay, and then, oh, so this will answer the question of if it's double-sided. The answer is yes. So this is symbol D, which is a very big red gem. And we have D on 2 of them, and we get 4. So the idea is you do complete both sides. I figured it would be, but you know when you just need to double check. So there is 4 in there, and that one is sort of back to back, just to fit it in the bag. Then we have number 8, which is these sort of a little bit iridescent, not loads, but they're pretty. So we have that as number 8, which is actually in those 2 as well. We have some little teardrops in silver, and again they've got the iridescent look to them, and that is letter C, so that is the little pips in the pear. Number 9, this is a big green one, and this one is just on the apple, so we actually have a spare one already in that one. We have K, which is the little pips in the apple. Let's turn it over that one, there we go, there's more of them that way. So hoping you can see these through. And then, oh, we have some little pearly type pips. Which ones do those go in? Number 5. So they go in the orange and in the apple. They're cute. They're like little pearls. And then we have some little orange sort of, they're cut, they've got the facets like the normal drills do, but of course a few more and a bit bigger, and they go in the orange. And then number 3, oh, so that's right in the centre, little blue, and they are right in the centre of the apple and the pear, so they go in the core. And then number 2, I'm trying to find, because these all should be bigger. Okay, so that I can see this in one place. Oh no, 2. We've got this on the pear and on what I think is the pomegranate. I'm sure somebody will tell me if I'm wrong. And then we have number 7, which again goes in these 2, and these are big round red ones. Now these don't have any facets on them and they're smooth, but I thought they were so cute. So to confirm where I got these and how much they were, so these are the fruit resin keyrings, and they are £5.54 they cost me for all 5 of them. So not the cheapest keyrings, but I thought they were a little bit of fun. And I actually purchased these from the Together store. So the Together store on AliExpress, and they cost me £5.54. And I think they're cute. That might be a little fun project to do with the kids this afternoon. Though I don't know which one I'm doing. I know one of my daughters will pinch the watermelon straight away. I know she'll be straight in there for the watermelon. I think I like the apple or the pear. But yeah, we'll have that debate later, and I might get those done. And I will of course do a review once they're all completed. But I think that's cute. That's my way of doing special diamonds. Something little and cute like that. The big ones, they're just not me. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.